Yo, welcome back to the ELA series. What are we playing today? Gato Roboto? That's a good game. Lego Batman. Peggle? Oh, we could play some Peggle right now. Yeah, we're playing Peggle. Yeah, let's go to continue. Oh, it's saved like right there. Wow. Okay, what I'm gonna try to do. Oh shoot. Oh no. Wait, let me get the multi-ball. Oh, this help. I got a free ball. Can I clear some more points? Okay. Oh my gosh, I almost got a second free ball. Same that in there. Oh yeah. Let me just throw the ball in there. Oh yeah. Okay, I think this multi-ball's gotta be the play right now. Not gonna lie. Don't got much balls left. Yeah, we're gonna wait. Oh my gosh. At least I got the ball back. Did I? Okay. Okay. That's a good one. Not that bad. Only the okay, yeah, come on now. Light work. Please get another one. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to run that one. Please get the 100 here. Come on. That's gonna get 50. No. Oh, it's gonna get 50, right? It's gonna get 50. It's gonna get 10. Okay, it's gonna 100. It's a good day. I don't think that's a cat. Sure. Turns the free ball bucket into a pyramid. Sure. What? Oh, I get like an extra chance of a free ball. Okay. That's pretty good. Can I like get it twice? Or I guess not. Oh, that's bad. I can get 2 of them here. No. Oh, that's fire. Oh my gosh, yo, out of the pyramid. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're gonna get the double pyramid right now. 3, and there's more than 3 orange ones left. Shoot, man. Oh, we can do it. No free ball. Do I get 2? No, I don't even. No, we're just gonna run the ball from the free ball. I ain't even get done for you. Please. No. We're gonna try it again. Let me just run up and at me. Oh, shoot. Come on. Oh my god. Oh, that was crazy, bro. I did all that for nothing. It's unfortunate. No. No, bro. I'm not good. I'm not good at the pyramid. I'm better at the multi-ball. Oh. Got a free ball there. Come on. Yeah, we run this. You know that. You know that we run this. You know that we run this. Oh, almost got a free ball. Almost got a free ball. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Okay, we get the free ball, bro. We get the free ball. Can I hit the free ball again? No, not at all. I can hit this. Let's see, hopefully I just... Come on. This music, like, Stardew Valley, like, inspired by this music. Oh yeah, no, there's 3 and 3. We're going 3 or 3. We're going 3 for 3. Can I hit these 2? Yes, I can. Come on. Oh, this thing's in the way, bro. Oh my gosh. No. Yes! No. Go straight to the 10, bro. That's so fortunate. We're gonna try this again. 5 turns, okay. I know. I can count. Ooh, we hit that for sure. Hit another one. Come on. Okay. Get the point boost. Get 2 of them. Okay, that's only 2 of them. Oh, I forgot I could do this. I'm not gonna do that though. This ordinary is hideous. Ooh. Come on. Go. Ah. See if I can hit this though. No, man. Oh my gosh. No. That's so bad. That's so bad. Do I get the pyramid? Nope. No, I don't even get the pyramid. This is bad. I'm not winning this one. Oh my gosh. No. Let's try to hit the pyramid. Yeah, that's something. Try to get a free ball right now. Please get it. Oh my gosh. No, man. No, it's over. It's over. Can I just hurry this up? It's over. It's over. I lost this. Wait. Can I hit? No. No. I'm gonna retry this. I think I got better RNG right now. There's 3 of them in 1. Can I get more? No. Unfortunately. Goes down. Let's try to get this side now. And I missed the power up. So I got 1 power up, you know what I'm saying? Can I get the ball? Yes! Yes, bro! Oh my gosh. That's what I saw. Can I hit the bottom one? Can I hit the... Oh, no, man. Oh my gosh. Come on, let's hit this. No! Oh my... Come on, I got it. Really? Man, this game sucks, man. I'm just gonna get in there. Just get in there. Ooh, I got the one standing. Okay. Come on, I can run it. 3. Wow. This is what an unfortunate day. Let's try to... Come on! Yes. Okay. See if I can... Wow. Oh no, man. Okay, thank God. What am I doing, man? Okay, I gotta hit this thing. Yeah, we're gonna try this again. Let's try and then I'll play something else. Yeah, we got the pyramid. Ooh, this is good. This is good. Good for me. I think I really have to rely on the pyramid right now. No. Trying to hit this one. Come on. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I got a free ball from that too. Oh my gosh. Come on. Hella points. Hella points. 6, 7. Please, please. Oh no. That's the one. This is gonna be the one, bro. This is the one. That's the one for sure. Oh, okay. Let's say I hit one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay. That was really bad. I still got it though. I still got it though. Can I get a second one? Oh no. Let's see. Do I got a second one? Yeah. Okay, I got 4 of them. Oh, thank God. Okay, yeah, no, this is good. We're good. We're actually good. Oh, can I get the 100 too? No. Okay, come on. The number. Okay. I didn't know that actually. Well, we got some more turns for this. Oh my gosh. Yo, we actually have to be strategic with this. It's not just gamble. Yo, y'all saw that? Yo. Oh my god. I'm actually nuts. Fucking great here. Okay. Okay, I got 4, 1, 2. Okay, I try to hit this 2. Oh, I almost got a second one. 3 balls left. There's 4 of them. Can I get a second one here? No. Yeah, let me try to. Last ball. It's over. It's actually over. There's. Oh my god, 1 left here. Come on, please. Oh my gosh. That's crazy, bro. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, let's get in the 100 there. Nice. First try. Okay, we're gonna try this one. What's that? Nothing could beat playing with a ball of yarn, but it does. I gotta get a ball of yarn. Pyramid, pull up, come on. Push up. I feel like what's on me saying right now. And I get the yo, I'm crazy, man. Hit 3 of them. 4, 6, 7. Okay. Oh my god. That was a whole miss. Oh shit, yo. Okay, I don't know why I did that, right? Do I get the ball back here? Yes. No. Come on, we're gonna try to reach for the stars. What was that shot I just did? Don't worry about it, guys. Oh my gosh, I have to aim in the middle. This is not good. Ooh, that's not good at all. Okay. No, man. Yeah! I got the 50. I don't know, I got the 10. Okay, come on. Fever. That's actually funny. Okay. Oh my god. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? I'm nuts, man. Come on, baby. And I hit that too. Do I get the free ball? Do I get the free ball? No, I don't get the free ball. I'm gonna try to hit this one though. Oh, I hit nothing. Free ball. Up that score. And I die. Wow. Okay. Y'all see? No. Please. Yes! Okay, come on. We gotta hit this done. Do I get the free ball? Please. Oh. No, do I get the free ball though? No, I don't. That was bad. Bear. Please. Oh. I know I have 3 balls left. Oh my gosh. You ain't gotta tell me. You ain't gotta tell me twice. Yes! Yeah, please. No. No, it's over. It's actually over. Oh my gosh, it's over. No, it's over. It's so bad. I'm leaving. I'm leaving this game. That was ELA series. See you in the next ELA series.